Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me at Powell Glam. We are going to be teaching you tips, tricks, all the beauty secrets, everything I know that I've learned over my experience as a makeup artist. Just so you know, I've been a makeup artist for the last 20 years. I've been doing celebrity makeup for the last 10, and I want to bring that celebrity glam to you for that everyday look. We're all busy, we might be moms, we might be working, we have so many things going on in our lives, but yet we still want to look beautiful every single day. You want to look put together, you want to feel confident, you want your skin looking nice. So I'm going to teach you all of my secrets. I'm going to teach you how to get that everyday look, but also look like a celebrity at the same time. I've created a free Facebook group called Powell Glam Squad, and I would love for you to join me. There we're going to be answering all questions, beauty, products, tips and tricks, travel, being a mom, kind of anything that my life encompasses and that your life might encompass. And I want to lift each other up, answer questions, and create this amazing, beautiful community where we can all share our knowledge. I want to learn from you as well as you guys learn from me. So head over and join my free community at Powell Glam Squad, and I can't wait to see you in there.